Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech. And last week we got back into Brickheadz and we did the first Christmas set build of the season, and this was the Nutcracker. Nice little build there. We're going to continue the Christmas theme and we're going to stay on Brickheadz, and we're going to do number 85, the Reindeer, number 86, Elf, and number 87, Elfie. This set comes with 281 pieces and is set number 40353. It will be a speed build. I'll set it all up and get going. If you do like this content, please like and subscribe, and hang around for the review of this set after the speed build finishes. So I'll set this up and we'll get into it. For hanging around to watch this part of the video and the review. When I opened this this set number 40353, it came in two different packs. So it came with the instructions for number 86 and 87, Elf and Elfie, and also for number 85, Reindeer. So two separate packs, and also a sticker sheet, which makes sense now with the North Pole sign there. But there are 5 stickers to be used, and well, there are 4 stickers that. Let me start that again. There are 5 stickers that are actually used and 2 remaining. So you can choose. On these ones, if you can see that, what the top one says brick 3,451 miles, and the second one says Legoland 2,356 miles. All right, as Brickheadz, these were good builds. The Elf and Elfie, they are similar to the smaller style Brickheadz, where they use the 1x pieces. Let's see if I can take one of these apart. Lots of 1x pieces, as you can see here. Put that back together. Whereas the Reindeer is more of your standard Brickheadz build, which uses a lot of the 2x pieces. As you can see there. And that's fairly normal for the different size of Brickheadz. You use different size 1x's and 2x's. All pretty good. So that's a nice little set to have. Add to the Christmas collection for this year. So we've got the Nutcracker, got number 86 Elf, number 87 Elfie, and the Reindeer is number 85. If you like this content, please subscribe, be greatly appreciated. And hopefully I'll have more coming as we head into the Christmas period. quite a number of builds to do, and of different type and varieties. I think this is the last of the Brickheadz I have to build, and certainly in the Christmas theme. So thank you for staying around and watching this edition of Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech. Have a great day. Bye.